This is 2011 Buick Regal. We had radio put in, customer's USB cable got bent and one went bad, so we're going to replace that cable. I'm going to take the radio out. First thing we're going to do is remove this thing. It's kind of like hitting this, so we're just going to move down a little bit, remove this side panel. Once that's out, same thing on this side. The side panel comes out. I have it out. And we're going to remove 7 mils underneath. Okay, so once you have that out, this should come out. Actually, this thing, you're supposed to take this out first, like this. Then the radio dash kit comes out. After that, you're going to take 4 screws out, and radio comes out after that.